Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can install these CPU fans on a Supermicro motherboard. So that's my motherboard version and the model, and this is my second CPU, and that's the fan I'm going to install, and this is my motherboard. So I already installed one of them and I'm going to show you how I can install the second CPU. So first thing first, that's my CPU, and we need to find and match these notches with the motherboard. And also the fan is coming with a guide installer. Let me show you. Okay, so we need to install this one first before we install the CPU and figure out how we should install it. So if you follow up these guides and check first which one is for which one, so we have a bigger and a smaller one, so they are not installed in other way, so it's just installed by one way. So this installer one, that's the smaller and that's the bigger one, so that's the way we need to install it. So let me to take it out. So that's the way for installation. First, next thing, we need to figure out the motherboard and the notches on the CPU. So as you can see, I have notches here on the CPU. So that's the notch. I need to be matched. So by other way, the CPU won't install. So it need to be carefully checked before installation. So that's, I figured out that's for this location, and this is the other notch for this. So it's going to be installed here. So that's the way we should install it. I will turn my CPU and install it by that way. Okay, now my CPU is fixed and safe. So I will give it a try to see it's working. Okay, it's match. So as you can see, it's match. But now I need to figure out the airflow. So the airflow should be from left to right and go out from the back of the motherboard. So that's the way it need to be installed, like that. But I need to also apply some silicone paste. Okay, so that's the way I will put it aside, and I will take out this one. And I will apply some silicone paste or thermal paste. So it doesn't need a lot, because also my CPU, my heatsink also has some thermal paste. So Also, that guide need to go on these notches. So the installation should be like that. Okay, one more time. The notches, it's going here. So I will flip my CPU. And as you can see, there are some notches here. So we need to fix CPU here. Also, there's one more here. Okay, now my CPU is fixed. As you can see, the CPU is fixed now, and I can install it like this. So it shouldn't be like that, so you need to do it very carefully. Okay, so we need to make sure it's installed properly without any problem. Okay, so it's ready for fasten the screw. So I hope you learned something from my video. If you learned something, please subscribe to my channel for more tips. Thank you.